Hey guys, learn more channel will surprise you. Don't mind me, just mind information. Please follow the instructions because I hide the details of a person that I'm registering. Hey guys, I'm still available. Learn more channel still existing. Come on board, don't hesitate. I'm here again to register people. Let's say you're not from here in South Africa, you just from uh, outside of South Africa. You want to register, look at here. Then when you are here, then it's gonna give you these two options that you can choose. So are you a South African citizen? If you are a South African, you'll click yes. If you are not a South African, you'll click no. So right now I'm here to register someone who is not a South African citizen. We would click no. If we click no, it's gonna ask you the passport. The passport that you're gonna put is the passport of yours. So let's do this, guys. Don't hesitate, just subscribe to this channel, check my other videos because I'm here to help people left, right and center. Let's go, girls and boys, ladies mantombazane. All right, it's going to ask you the expiry date. Okay, we are putting these expiry days that is needed. We need passport expiry day, and then you go to your passport, you check expiry months, you go to check expiry year, you go to check. All right, you put, are you a female or male? You put your phone number here. If you are putting your phone number, it's not a must to put the plus code of your country. You just put the numbers that are after your code. I think it's clear. So we continue, put the birth date of yours. All right, because I'm registering someone, I'm gonna hide the personal details of the person that I'm registering. All right, you're going to put the birthday, the birth months. All right, and then we're going to put the birth year. All right, girls, we continue. We put the name that is appears to your ID or your passport. Right. Okay, we have to choose the country. These are the countries that are allowed here in Hollywood if you check. All right, so everyone who is not South African citizen, that person wants to join Hollywood. If you live into these countries, this country origin. So guys, all right, the person that I'm registering, yeah, let's go. You click next after you're done finishing this form. We click next. It says that the cell phone number is already used by a recently registered client. If it says like this to you, it means you are registered. Please don't come to me if you know you've been registering many times, because I don't know, guys. Learn more channel, it's here to surprise you. Check my other videos for more information that you need as a hustler, as a networker, as a risk taker. Come on, but don't hesitate. This channel is here for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have another number, then you didn't put this passport before, or you did put, but if you have another number, let's try to do it. Okay, the person gave me another phone number, so we will try another phone number right now. It says 0 let's go. Click next. ID passport number already in use. All right, I don't think we're gonna continue registering because the ID number is already in use. So guys, if you want to do something like this, please, you will stop here. Like if you're stuck here, come to me. As you see now, this video, it's showing that we are not done with the registration thing. I can't continue because I don't have anyone or someone right now that we can use the details to continue. I can't continue with the details that I don't have. So guys, please subscribe to this channel, like and share. Remember, Learn More channel is here to surprise you. Please, as a hustler, as a network, as a distributor, don't mind me, just mind information. I'm trying to say, please, if you reach to this video, you have to know this video is not fully finished because of the problem that we find that this person that I'm trying to register, he is also in the system, so I can't continue with the registration thing. So if you don't know how to register, you need help, don't even start that. So now I'm not gonna put the link into my description down below. The only thing that I'm going to put is my phone number. You can talk to me to my WhatsApp. If you want to register, I will register you and then become a happiness client of Hollywood. All right, remember, like and share, subscribe, and keep the positive comment to my description down below to my comments, guys. Remember, don't mind me, just mind information. As a hustler, the networker, the risk taker. Check my other videos. Thank you. Learn More channel will always surprising you. Ciao guys. Bye.